Hi everyone. In this video, we will take a look at intersection of two linked list problem. So the problem statement is as follows. Given the heads of two singly linked lists, head A and head B, return the node at which the two lists intersect. If the two linked lists have no intersection at all, in that case, we will return null. So as you can see in the example, the head A points to this first node, which is 4, and the first linked list is as follows, like 4, 1, 8, 4, and 5. Head B points at the start of second linked list, which starts with this node 5, and then it goes like 5, 6, 1, 8, 4, 5. So as you can see from this diagram, basically both of these linked lists intersect at this node 8, and we will have to return this node 8 as the output of our program. So if we think about the solution using the traversal of the two linked lists, let's say we start the traversal of the first linked list having the pointer A, and for the second linked list, let's say we have this pointer B, and we start the traversals. For first linked list, when we reach till the end of first linked list, we cover the distance such that this let's say this distance is x and this distance is z. For the first linked list, when we reach till the end of first linked list, we are covering the distance as x plus z, and for second linked list, we are covering this distance as y, and again this distance is same, which is z. So on the right side, basically we are covering y plus z. Now for both of these pointers to intersect at this common point, the first pointer, which is already covering x plus z, it will have to cover y distance more. So we will have to add a y here. For the second pointer, after it reaches y plus z, it will have to cover this x distance, and after we add x here and y here, at that point of time, both of these distance will be equal, and both A will be pointing to this node at A, and B will be pointing to this node at 8 again. So at that time, both of these pointers will be equal if the two linked lists intersect at this point. How this will work is uh, uh, till the time both of these pointers are equal, we will keep on incrementing these pointers by 1. So A will come over here, B will come over here. Again, we increment A by 1 as A and B are not equal. So A comes here, B comes here, then A will move over here, B will move over here, then A comes at here, B comes at here. Now as A has reached the end of the linked list, we reinitialize this A pointer to cover this y distance. So we reinitialize this A pointer at the start of our second linked list. So A comes over here now, and B goes to the last pointer, last node, which is 5. Now again A moves to the next, so it is here, and as B has now reached till the end of this linked list, we reinitialize this B pointer to the start of first linked list. So now B will come over here. for next, A goes over here, and now B moves over here. Now, as you can see, A has already covered this X plus Z and plus now Y, and then A is going next to this 8 as its next pointer, and B has covered this Y plus this Z, and now it has also covered this X, and then B also reached to the intersecting point at the same time, and then A and B becomes equal, and hence we return this 8 as the intersecting point. So if we take a look at the source code, so basically we get the head of A and head B pointers as the input of this function get intersection node. If the head A or head B are null, that means that these two linked lists are not intersecting, and in that case we return null. Then we initialize A pointer to head of A, we initialize B pointer to head of B, and till the time both pointers are not equal, we start iterating over the first linked list. So A pointer will move to next one till the time we reach the end of the first linked list. When we reach the end of the first linked list, as we saw in the diagram, once we reach till the end of first linked list, we initialize the first pointer to the start of our second linked list. And so we in that case, when the A pointer reaches till the end, we reinitialize it to head B, and same about B pointer till it is not the end of the second linked list. We keep on moving it to the next pointer, and when B pointer reaches till the end, which is null, we reinitialize the B pointer to head of A. And basically when the both of these will become equal at this node 8, we return the we will come out of this while loop, and we will return A pointer as output. And so overall time complexity of this will be like the worst case complexity will be like we have to traverse the till the end. Let's say both of these linked lists are intersecting at this last point. In that case, we cover this entire distance plus this entire distance. So total time complexity will be O of n. Let's say n is the length of our first linked list, plus m, which is the m is the length of our second linked list.